Your present from Grammy.
From Grammy. Let's see what the card says.
It says, O-T-I-S.
Ready? It says, grandson, it's your birthday. It says, happy birthday, Otis. Wishing a very special grandson loads and loads of birthday fun. Love you, Grammy.
This is O-T-I-S.
That's right. Happy birthday, Otis. Okay, ready for your present? Let's open. You want to help me rip it?
Yeah.
Here, can you rip right here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's.
Pull it, Odie, pull it, rip it.
Are you ripping it?
Yeah.
Okay, right here. I'll break it somewhere.
Oh,
Oh!
it's a book.
Whoa! Bob. Oh!
Books about.
Whoa! This,
I got books about. I got books about Nemo.
Books about Nemo. Moonlight Oceans and Moonlight Animals.
Owls.
okay, that one looks cool.
Owls.
Say thank you, Grammy.
And I got books about owls. I got books about owls.
Books about owls.
Right.
Can you say thank you, Grammy?
And I got books about Nemo.
Yeah.
And I got books. And I got books about. And I got books about Nemo too, Daddy.
You want
Wow.
to open your present for Mommy and Daddy too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's start ripping the paper.
This one is this for me?
That's for you.
Is this for Daddy?
No, that's for you too. These are all for you. Bobby.
A Gordon.
What?
It's a
Gordon.
Chuffing Gordon.
You got a Gordon?
Yeah.
Cool. He goes with your other trains. He can go on your train track. Then open this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this Gordon is cool. Look at that cheesecake.
Look at, what's this?
What is that?
Do you know what it is? Show Daddy.
What is
Look
it?
at this, Daddy.
Oh, it's an expansion pack for your train set.
It's a bridge for your train set.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a Gordon and a train set.
And some
And
bubbles.
what's this?
Bubbles.
You got bubbles?
Yeah, I got 2 bottles of bubbles. I see 1 and I see 2. Can we blow them?
Let's see.
There's some bubbles.
I suck at this, but let's try.
Okay.
Oh, 1 bubble.
Whoa!
Okay, you want some birthday cake? Yeah, you want some cheesecake?
Okay. Happy birthday to Otis. Happy birthday, Odie.